Hello friends, today we are going to make a homely sweet or dessert using sugar syrup. Here we have taken Rasgulla sugar syrup, bread, and we have chopped the bread in 4 pieces and ghee. To make this sweet, it just takes 2 minutes of our time. So first of all, we have put some ghee in the frying pan and we have kept it on low flame. And then we will put the bread pieces on the pan. Now we will fry the bread from both sides. When the bread looks hot and crispy, we will put it in the sugar syrup. Now we will dip the bread piece in the sugar syrup and then we will let it be there for 1 minute. Now the sweet is ready. We can have it after lunch or dinner. Thank you.